What's up guys, Zeppy here, and today in this video we are playing Would You Rather. So it is officially 2019, I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. So it is official, Season 3 of Zeppy Channel. And I'm thinking, what could we play? As you do, we could play Would You Rather. So I have done this before and stuff, but I haven't done it in a long while, so I just thought let's just refresh the memory and stuff and see how it goes. So the first would you rather is be a police officer or a firefighter. And to be honest with you, I think I would rather be a police officer because you can arrest people and save lives. Although you can do with a firefighter, but a police officer is probably more better than a police officer. And I thought lots of people would go for that as well. Next one. Would you rather get severe frostbite or severe burn? Frostbite all the way. Because if you get severe burn, even though you can heal, it won't, like, literally, it'll take forever to heal. Next one. When you walk into a room, would you rather have everybody stare awkwardly, or have everybody look away in disgust? That's hard. I agree, hard to choose. I'm not sure. I think I would go with everybody stare awkwardly, because I could just go up to them and be like, yeah, something you like? What do you want? Okay, next one. Would you rather lick peanut butter off a hobo's foot or lose $250 in the stock market? I would rather lose $250 in the stock market. Why not? I don't want to lick somebody else's foot because you don't know where they've been, what they've been doing, and to be honest, I really don't want to know. And I don't even like peanut butter, so it's okay for me. Next one. If you were in high school, would you rather have a face covered in severe acne or be extremely fat? Be extremely fat. Why be with acne? Strange enough. But if you're fat, then it don't matter because you can easily just lose weight. But with acne, you have to put lots of cream on and it'll take forever to do. Next one. If you had to choose a superpower, would you rather have night vision or heightened senses in smell and hearing? Night vision all the way. Because with the other one, how about someone's done a really bad fart? You'd be sniffing that forever and it'll make you go like that. In hearing, even though you might hear people go like, oh yeah, such and such is talking about such and such. Fair enough. But with night vision, you can actually see in the dark. And if you want to pervy, look at girls, then yeah, good superpower. Next one. Would you rather be trapped in a sandstorm or be trapped in a snowstorm? Snowstorm, all the way. With the sandstorm, you're going to get sand in your eyes and you'll be like, my eyes are killing. And trust me, I've had that before and it really, really does hurt. But with the snowstorm, you can easily just get a shovel like, out your way. Please can make a snowman and a snow angel. Next one. Would you rather freeze to death in the Arctic or burn to death in the desert? Probably freeze to death in the Arctic because if you want to get burned to death in the desert, then you're screwed. But when you freeze in the freeze in the desert, freeze in the Arctic, you can, no matter what, you can always try and warm yourself up, like making fire, getting food, water, blah blah blah. Next one. Would you rather become a superhero or a supervillain? I would rather become a superhero. Reasoning is because if you turn into a supervillain, all supervillains die. Like every film I watch, nearly die. But when you become a superhero, lots of people will take notice you and be like, oh yeah, I know who that guy is, it's Superman or Batman or it's Flash. Next one. Would you rather have a Pepsi or have a Coke? Now this is the hard one because I like both of them. But, have I got a drink up here? Yes I have. Hold on. I mean, I'm not sure to be honest. Does that ring a bell? Okay. Okay, I'll do one more and then I'm going to end the video. Would you rather be John Lennon or Paul McCartney? Should have heard John Lennon, why not? I don't see why not, hey. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to the Zeppy channel and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!